Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.32. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the ETF has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 1.76%. This results in an average return of 0.88% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines. The 3-month trend analysis suggests a possible change of approximately negative 12% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 18% to negative 6%. In a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 13%. Based on these calculations, the stock's performance could vary between approximately 6% and 32% over the next year. This would translate to a future price ranging from $518 to $649. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF price up 1.76% on Friday. The VOO ETF price gained 1.76% on the last trading day, Friday, the 11th of April, 2025, rising from $482.06 to $490.55. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 3.13%, with a day low of $478.03 and a day high of $492.98. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 3.96% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 10 million shares bought and sold for approximately $5.14 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially signaling early changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price is 13.01%, or $73.35, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 has bounced back significantly, reporting a 5.7% gain, marking its best week since November 2023. This recovery was largely spurred by a remarkable 9.5% surge, the biggest single-day jump since 2008. This upward momentum signals a potentially more stable market environment for investors in the short term, which could enhance demand for exchange-traded funds like VOO that track the S&P 500. Despite the positive rally, mixed signals persist. Analysts are increasingly concerned about corporate earnings estimates, which JP Morgan's Jamie Dimon stated are likely to decline as companies pull guidance due to trade uncertainty. Recent estimates have already been cut by 5%, a trend that could weigh on investor sentiment and impact VOO's performance in the longer term. Market analysts have indicated the S&P could be at risk of entering bear market territory amidst ongoing concerns over trade policy. Therefore, while the recent rally may bolster short-term confidence, caution remains crucial due to potential earnings reevaluations that could redefine investment strategies moving forward. As the market navigates these turbulent times, VOO's performance will be closely tied to both the broader recovery trend and the underlying economic fundamentals. The following signals have been identified for VOO. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. The VOO ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the ETF. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance at $516.21 from the long-term moving average. On a decline, the ETF will find support at $478.81 from the short-term average. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will contribute to another sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and thus far, it has risen 7.4%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 36 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 33 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $465.52 and $463.56. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the fund to fall to the next support level. In this case, VOO has support just below today's level at $465.52. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $463.56 and $456.74. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the fund moved $14.95 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.13%. In the past week, the fund has experienced daily average volatility of 6.9%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $494.16. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO meets its first support level at $465.52. If this support level remains intact, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is the VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO presents several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will continue to underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is inflated. For trading on Monday, the 14th of April, we predict that VOO will open lower by $3.36, beginning trading at $487.19. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.